Boom. Good morning, guys. It's the last day of VidCon. We're here with Emma,
hello,
who just hit an awesome milestone. Go subscribe to her. And Keegan. We let ourselves sleep in. We had a big, long day yesterday. Now we're gonna go hang out in the expo hall.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm really hungry, so we're probably gonna go get food. Are you ready, ladies? I can't run in these shoes. I'm scared. And that was Keegan acting.
Workout of the day.
What all my friends said still echoes in my head.
Keegan got food. I got the same food. We're starving. This is gonna be our breakfast and our lunch and maybe our dinner. We don't even know. Food's expensive. We're here watching Madisen Bailey's sound check. Yeah. She's so cool. She's like literally right there.
Lunch of the show.
And to die for. You turn your back on me, so I turn my back on you. And now we're stuck in this charade. I don't know what to do. Oh, you like the wire, you paid the price.
Hi, how's it going? And we're here with Elena, and you guys should go check out her channel because she makes college content too. We're at Downtown Disney. What did you get for dinner?
I got the ahi tostada.
It looks so good. Yeah. And I got this spinach chicken salad, but I got it without walnuts or blue cheese because I don't like those. And we're just talking about YouTube, and it's super fun. And I'm so glad I got to see her again. It's been 2 years.
So long.
Need like sriracha, Tabasco, mayonnaise, mustard.
Elena getting that B-roll. Go check out her vlog. Vlogception. Look at her outfit. It's so cute. Do a little outfit of the day for us, won't you?
Hi guys. Here I have my punk shirt from a punk rock show that I tore up. I'm wearing very feminine.
Very cute. Look at this. But she just pulls it off. Okay, where'd you get your belt? Is it thrifted?
Thrifted.
Of course. So cute. I actually love it.
Okay, wow, double the action right now.
We got 2 cameras right now. Okay, my shirt's from Brandy Melville.
Cute.
And my jewelry is from Brandy Melville. Shorts from Aritzia.
Love
My
them.
shoes are from Steve Madden with my really obnoxious nail polish color because I thought it was coral. So cute.
Indiana Rose, I caught a glimpse of you out on the.
Okay, well now I'm gonna put your channel name right here, so everyone say hey. Testing this out. Isn't that nice?
Oh yeah.
Is that the focus?
It's so nice. Yeah, these people are getting married over here. This is so cute. Future husband, this is what I want. That's so cute. Just modeling up the Ray-Bans. Okay, which one do we like? I like the shape of them a lot. I just got a new pair. I got these.
Like kind of like.
Yeah, they're cool. Oh, I love those. Okay, we found the pair.
I'll stay till dawn.
Hi, it was so good to see you.
Moving to New York. Check out my contact.
Whoa, bye. Hey guys, we're back in the hotel room. Here's Keegan. We've changed into some comfy clothes. Emma is getting us some snacks and we're gonna go watch Mamma Mia too. I'm very excited. It's like the best movie ever. You know what I mean? I'm also eating Sour Patch Kids, which is really unhealthy. I feel like it's just calling my name. What are we gonna do when we move? When we move back to where we came from? Well, come to Oregon because I could actually survive and you will survive. It's too hot, Arizona. That's the plan. Mamma Mia 2. We're gonna go wait in line. It's gonna be our last thing at VidCon. Hopefully they have popcorn because that's my favorite. So cute. We're gonna take pics here at the Mamma Mia premiere. Emma is like so hyped to see this. Guys, we just watched the best movie of our lives. It was so good. We watched Mamma Mia 2 and we got beach balls. That was the most fun like at a movie theater you've ever had because everyone was like clapping and like screaming and it was just so.
We were all dancing. I think we were having way too much fun.
So much fun.
Oh my god, we were like literally having
Oh my gosh, you guys have to see it. I'm gonna see it again. The music is so good.
Go to sleep, awake in reality.